We've got another great video for you today on how to have fun 4x4, your off-road channel on YouTube. Guys, we got all kinds of good stuff, but today, this one is extra cool. The Jayco Terrain 4x4 camper van. If you're looking for that off-road camper van with the lithium package and the Mercedes, this might be the one for you from Jayco. These guys have done a great job with this. In my opinion, it's probably one of the best Jayco products out of the Jayco brand. They have really put a lot into this. If you haven't, check out our Facebook, Instagram, How to Have Fun 4x4. It's all about off-road. And check out our website, howtohavefun4x4.com. Hit that notify button. It would mean so much to us. Also, check out our sister channels, our big mothership, How to Have Fun Outdoors, over 200,000 views, and hiking. And we've got cruising, and we've got all kinds of good stuff, fishing, but this channel is all about vacation ideas and having fun. And definitely subscribe to 4x4. We've got off-road in Iceland. We've got off-road in DR. We've got all kinds of RV reviews, 4x4 reviews, and take a look at this Winnebago REVEL 4x4. You're going to love it. But today, it's all about the Jayco Terrain 4x4 camper van. This thing is awesome. It's got a length just under 20 feet. It is super cool, but it is loaded with features and benefits. Take a look at this thing. It is just loaded, and the 3,500 watt inverter, pretty crazy. Let's go ahead and get started. Hey, and we got an awesome Best in Show Class B off-road here up at the New England RV Show in Springfield, Mass. This show's been around 60 years, and today we're going to show you a Jayco Terrain 4x4. How much does this thing go for, Ryan? So
this guy right now is retailing at about $228,000. Pete's RV has got a show discount on it of $159,981.
Wow.
So it is a good weekend to come and take advantage. Our display is set up here at the Big E Coliseum. Come on down and check out the Terrain. There's some pretty cool features to it. It's kind of your all-terrain, off-road, anywhere you need to go in the world type of package. Perfect for those adventurous types and those who are looking to explore the American Midwest, let's say.
There you go. So nothing like getting one of these Class Bs that are all set up for 4x4 and to get out back overland. That's what we love. Yeah. So let's go take a look. Let's start with the inside, then we'll go to the outside. Let's check it out.
So a couple of the key features that I like to highlight on the inside of the coach. Once we get in, obviously you'll notice we do have 2 extra seats in the rear here. One thing I do like to point out is they both do recline and move. That's a nice feature to have. A lot of the competition, those are just kind of solitary. So being able to be a little more comfortable will certainly help your ride. You'll see kind of that European style design on the cabinet board. It is, a little more rugged. Everything's got the stainless steel hinges to it. A little bit of an extra padding for you. So it definitely is designed to kind of, last you a little bit longer. This coach does sit on the Mercedes chassis. It is a diesel coach, so you can have it serviced at, pretty much any service center that will handle that. It is got a bit of a smart control to it, which is pretty cool. You can connect your phone to that, download the app, be able to use your device anywhere, which is kind of nifty.
So this has solar on it, does it?
It does. So it's got a 200 watt solar panel on the roof. The really key feature with the Terrain that makes it a little bit different than some other Class Bs is it's got a 10,000 watt lithium ion battery, and it's a 48 volt. With a 48 volt air conditioner on the roof. So it's designed to be used for up to 8 hours off grid with no power hookup at all. And that solar panel will, maintain a charge on that. So you can use it kind of pretty much wherever you want to go.
Now, how about winter camping? 4-season, does it have that capability, or do they sell this as a 3-season? How does that work?
I mean, I always advise people, hopefully you're not camping in the 0 degrees in the mountains in the wintertime. You're chasing the warmth, but it does have tank pads on it to kind of keep your underbelly warm for you, so that way you can go out in that extended season, kind of take it anywhere. Obviously, as long as you keep the thing running, you keep the heat going, you should be pretty good.
That's awesome. So let's take a look at the Galley here. So you've got the...
For sure. So you do have a little bit of a pull-out here.
Okay,
which
nice.
will extend. It does come with a convection cooktop that sits on that.
Okay.
You've got your mini fridge below.
Yeah. Wow. Very nice.
There's a little small freezer in there. Keep all your supplies. Couple different pantry options, some different storage drawers. You do have the little slide outs
Okay.
below,
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
kind of cool.
Oh, very cool.
Just to give you another,
like that.
another little workspace. And then your bed is designed to fold down behind you there. So
Yeah, lots of drawers here, huh?
Yeah, there is a lot of storage
A lot
in
of
this.
storage in that.
This
ton of
galley
storage.
is really cool.
you know, even up above your sitting area, you've even got a huge overhead compartment here because it tons of storage as well.
And
Okay, and you got the stereo right in there.
Yep.
And I love that space over there.
Yeah, right above there. Yep.
Yeah.
Again,
Store
even
a lot.
more storage too.
But it's not like lost space. They made it really useful.
No, exactly. Exactly. That's the idea. You got to make the most of it. You do have a fantastic fan in here that does pull about 6 miles an hour current through the camper. So on like a really hot day, you don't need to waste your power on your AC. Just kick that bad boy on and it'll take the hot air right out of here.
Now this is all diesel, correct, with the Mercedes? Or?
Correct.
Okay.
Yep.
And then, so it's battery driven, but is there, what type of inverter do you have
So
on
a
this?
3,500 watt inverter on it.
Nice. Okay,
Yeah, so
good.
you should be able to power pretty much anything. You know, it's designed to be completely run just off of that 10,000 watt lithium-ion battery. So it's kind of a new, more modern spin on it.
Okay.
Again, the 200 watt solar panel will maintain, you know, a trickle charge on that, as well as it does have, I think it's about a 50 watt panel that's just for the chassis to keep the engine battery also in power, so that way you can turn it on and get out of here when you need to.
So now we've got the screen mesh here is the inside. So
Yes.
this is a roll down and
So this
just,
just rolls down. You can zip
Okay.
it up, zip it down as you go, leave
Pretty
it hanging for
straightforward.
you. Yeah, pretty easy to use. And then again, you just roll it up when you're ready to rock and roll.
now this is a shorter version. How many feet is this? Do you know?
This guy's about 20 feet long.
This is a 20 footer. Yeah. So, okay.
Yep.
All right, let's take a look at the back because
Yeah,
you got a
so-
lot. Whoa, wait, hang on. Yeah, you're
Yeah.
right. Let's take a look at this.
The bathroom first.
So that
Wow,
would be your
look at this.
kind of wet bath.
Yeah.
You do got like a drying rack for clothes, wet clothes, or just additional storage.
Yeah.
You know, a nice feature of that. You know, you can go to the beach, come back, hang your bathing suit up. It does have a little clothesline that swings across it as well.
Yeah, this is kind of nice with these extra racks here, you know, so when you're not showering, you actually have some storage or
Yeah. Oh.
a place to put it. Uh-oh,
There
there
you
with
go.
the lights. All right, very nice. And you got the shower curtain right here. So, boy, this is a compact. They've got everything built in here.
Everything you need. Cool aspect to the rear is the bed does move up and down, so it gives you some tie downs below it there.
Okay.
If you want to fit, you know, bikes, even maybe a small kayak if you wanted to slip it in here. You know, whatever kind of suits your outdoor
Yeah, so this is
needs.
kind of your little toy hauler to the back, which
Right.
is popular with these type of models.
Right. You figure a lot of people that are purchasing these are maybe going mountain biking or dirt biking or things like that. So it's a nice feature to have for sure.
And then this is all automated here as far as up and down with the bed, right?
Yeah, so your button for it, you'll have to excuse
You've got the switch for
All
the
right,
bed
so
right
we found
here.
the bed switch. It's actually up in the cabinet here,
Okay.
out of the way.
So you
And
just hit
you
that.
just push the button, the bed drops down just like that,
Oh, look how nice that is.
right into position. You can have it overlooking the lake,
Wow.
desert, the mountain.
That
whatever
is
strikes your
very,
fancy.
very sweet.
Although you want it.
Yeah, I mean it goes all the way down to about waist height. You know, you can keep it there. Obviously, if you got extra storage underneath, you need to keep it a little raised. You certainly can.
That is a great design. These guys did a great job with that.
Right? Just up and down.
Really sweet.
And then when it's time to go up,
And you can just pop that right back up.
just like that.
You can also set it. Very cool.
Just like that.
Wow. So we got a lot going down here for sure. This is a pretty cool setup.
Yeah, so hot water, hot and cold water outside. That would be a fresh water connection. Black tank flush. You turn your follow the diagram. Turn your little buttons there to match what it is you want to do with the coach. You've even got a water pump.
So you got the freshwater tank, the black water tank, gray tank, all three on this, correct?
Correct.
Okay,
Correct. Yeah,
very
you're gonna
good.
get all three on the coach.
All right.
And your hookups for said tanks are going to be on over here. On the opposite side here.
Wow, it's pretty nice. Yeah, let's take a look at the outside now.
Yeah, so it's definitely
Got a
pretty
power
neat
here, no
looking
problem,
unit,
30
for
amp.
sure. 30 amp connection.
Okay.
LED light. It is a, I'm sorry, it is a cassette toilet. You do have a gray water toilet.
Okay.
So the toilet itself just pulls in and out. You bring it to the station yourself.
Okay, so it's a cassette style.
Correct.
Okay.
Gray tank. You do have a gray tank on the coach.
Okay.
Yeah, and a freshwater tank. Obviously.
So the gray comes off the bottom down here.
Just like your normal.
Okay, normal gray tank, and then the black is the cassette style.
Yep.
All right, very cool.
It's definitely a mean-looking coach for sure.
And then pretty good suspension on this. I mean, it looks like some nice tires.
It does have a J-Ride. That's kind of like a Jayco patent.
Yeah.
What they upfit on the Mercedes chassis once they get it in from Mercedes. Two key things to highlight are it does have Coney shocks on it.
Okay.
And it does have a heavy-duty rear stabilization bar. So you're not going to be bumping as much. You can take it more off-road where you're going to have potholes, things like that. And it's not going to be bouncing around the road on you there as you're going down the highway. It definitely rides really nice. I had the chance to drive one last week, and it rides really smooth for sure.
Awesome.
Now, any idea what the clearance is on this? Because these off-roads, all the off-road guys like to know, do I got 8 inches, 10 inches, you know, how much?
I don't know off the top of my head. I mean, I can certainly find out.
Yeah, we'll find out for you on this video.
Probably looking at maybe like 10 inches, 18 inches or so.
And then up top, you got the lights, which is pretty sweet.
LED
and nice
light bar up top. You do have a full power awning on the side, on the other side, obviously.
Yeah, let's swing around and take a look at that. So,
pretty nice little feature to have. There is a rack.
Now, are there any other color options, or is this the standard?
There's a couple of different color options. So they have like an Aztec paint option, which will give you kind of like tribal stripes on the side.
Okay.
There's a blue, kind of navy blue color option to it. It's in its first stages, so they're still kind of tinkering, but hopefully, you know, moving down the line, we'll get some more colors there.
Yeah. And then you got some more controls down here, I see. So
yeah, your main power for your house, an awning button to go in and out.
Okay.
Obviously, you see the table set up here. This just flips back up and into place. You've got your low point drains for your plumbing system as well as your freshwater tank.
Okay. And that's always nice, this outdoor table, Alice.
Oh, I love that.
Seeing more and more of that, and that's a really nice
Maybe it's
feature.
an addition that we have to add to our.
Right.
Now, is this an automated door, is it? Or is it a manual?
It's a regular manual.
Okay, so it's not a power door.
Slides closed.
All right.
This is held up magnetically.
Okay. And then you got outdoor speakers on this, too.
Outdoor speakers on the camper, full power awning on the coach.
Yeah, I got some outlets here. Very nice. Super cool. That's a nice rig, Alice. Very nice.
Ladder to get to the back. You actually have to attach the ladder onto the side of the coach to get up there.
Okay.
But you certainly can access everything you need to, the panels, extra cargo you might have up there.
Then you got the automated awning. So, very nice. So, Alice, what do you think? How many?
Absolutely. 5 discovery buses.
5 discovery buses. And Ryan did an awesome job here.
Thank you.
We're here early with the press pass, and it's a real pleasure having you go through this with us. We really appreciate it, and this is one of the coolest Class Bs we saw here at this show so far, and it's impressive, especially for the price point and the fact that you guys have some in stock. That's a really, really good thing.
Definitely. Come on down again, see Pete's RV Center. My name is Ryan. I'd be happy to help you myself. We're located at the Big E Coliseum in Springfield.
Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. Absolutely super cool. Thanks to Pete's RV and these guys for letting us show this on Media Day. But what a great camper van, no question about it. Good quality on this. Again, like I stated early in the video, this is one of the better Jayco products out there. Take a look at the hitch, the quality. It's a beefy unit. They've really done a nice job with it. Comment down below. What do you guys think of this Jayco Terrain 4x4 camper van, Class B off-road machine? And definitely, if you could, subscribe to the channel. It would mean so much to us. And hit that like button so we can get this video out to everyone. And thank you so much for watching How to Have Fun 4x4.